Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to watch free horror movies on Amazon Fire TV Stick. All right, let's begin. To start, go to the App Store on your Fire TV Stick from the home screen. Once you're in the App Store, navigate to the search feature at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Fossum Horror. Look for the official app and select it. After selecting the app, choose Download to install it on your Fire TV Stick. Once the download is complete, open the app. Inside the app, you can browse a wide selection of horror movies. Choose any movie you like, and it will start streaming directly on your Fire TV Stick. This app is free and allows you to watch horror movies without any subscription, making it a great option for fans of the genre. You can explore different categories, discover new films, and enjoy them right from the comfort of your home. So that's basically how you can watch free horror movies on Amazon Fire TV Stick. That's it for this video. Thanks.